channel! Welcome to Mommy LJ's Vlog! Sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe sa aking channel, please do subscribe and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga new videos. And you're gonna learn a lot more about how to live in Sweden, how life is in Sweden. So today guys, I'm going to show you a little bit of how Swedish taking care of their garbage. So I am going to throw my garbages. So I'm going to show you a little bit of it. Ayan guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga different kinds of garbage that I'm going to throw today. And they're gonna put them, some of them are going to separate it to be reused. Ayan. So ito na guys. So ito guys yung different basura ko na itatapon ko ngayon. Separate ang papers. Ayan siya. Separate ang food rest, yung mga tira-tirang pagkain. At they are very strict with this one. Kailangan food lang talaga siya. And then we have the bottles. Ito yung mga pinagtanggalan ng drinks. You can ayan, meron silang yung parang tawag dito, pant ang tawag nila. So, if you buy this, you're gonna pay 1 crown for this one, but you can leave it back. So, you can get money back for this one. So, I'm gonna show you a little bit of it. And then, ito yung mga pwedeng sunugin. Ayan, dyan siya. And, karton. Ayan. So, let's go, guys. I'm going to show you how it looks like. Yes. Okay, let's go. So, here they are, guys. We have 2 boxes beside the house, and they're always here. One is for the food leftovers, and this is for those you can burn. So in Sweden guys, they are very strict when it comes to sorting their garbages. Kailangan talaga maayos yung pagkakasort mo ng garbages or else pwede kanilang pagmultahin. Yung compost need talaga dito is yung mga valid lang talaga for compost, mga tira-tirang pagkain. At dito naman sa kabila is yung mga pwede lang sunugin. So hindi yan pwede yung newspapers and things like that. Iba naman ang pagtatapunan natin yan, itong nasa bag na to. So pupunta tayo sa garbage station, pati na yung box na yan, doon natin itatapon. And itong mga bottles dadalhin natin sa recycling. Ayan guys. So we are here guys. So ito yung station where we can throw different kind of garbage we have at home. So Swedish people are very, they care a lot about their environment. So para sa akin guys, Sweden. So andito na tayo guys para itapon yung iba pa naming mga garbage and itong mga newspapers, yung iba pang papel na mga pwedeng itapon dito, and of course yung box na dala ko. So ito yung garbage station dito. This first garbage box is yung para sa mga metals, and the other one is for newspapers, and dito ko siya itatapon. Yan. So yung kabila naman is only for some small boxes lang, like this box and some milk boxes or small boxes like that. And then sa tabi niyan is yung for plastic, I guess. Yes, more for the boxes. Yes, as you can see, papers, small packages for pasta boxes or something like that. And ito yung sa plastic. Ito naman sa mga bottles or glasses, you know. And ito naman yung pink na box na yan is for clothes. Kung gusto nyong yung mga lumang clothes nyo na gusto nyong i-donate for other people, pwede nyong ilagay dyan. Yan, sa loob niyan. So, ayan, let's go para itapon ko na yung mga newspapers ko, guys. Okay, babalikan ko kayo mamaya. So, I'm sorry guys about that. Medyo nagmadali ako kasi yung kukuha ng mga garbages, andito yung truck. So, ayan siya. Ini-empty niya. So, nagmadali ako kasi kukuhanin niya yung mga yun. So, ayan guys. Very easy lang sa kanila. So, So, ayan guys, here we are at the recycling station for bottles and cans after natin magtapon ng mga newspapers sa kabilang station. So, pasok tayo dito sa loob. And in Sweden guys, you can find this recycling station in every supermarket store here in Sweden. They can have it outside the store or some are inside the store, but they have it all here. And you just gonna take the bottles or can and put it in here inside like that. So, you know, if you buy soft drinks here, you have to pay for bottles and cans, and then you can get it back when you do like this recycling. Yeah, just do it, and you can see the amount here, how much you're gonna get. So I think it's 1 crown per bottle, sometimes 2, depends on the how big the bottles are. Ganun lang. Ayan guys, tapos na ako, and here is the receipt para sa aking bottles, and I can use it to pay inside the store. Use this receipt. So, thank you guys! So, ayan guys. I hope na nagustuhan nyo yung aking YouTube tour sa pagtapon ng aming mga basura. Well, actually guys, ito yung mga pang-araw-araw lang na basura. It's a lot more than that actually. Gusto ko sanang ipakita sa inyo, kaso lang wala naman akong opportunity kasi wala naman akong masyadong itatapon na big things. Kasi dito sa Sweden guys, we have, pinakita ko sa inyo kanina na station. It's just a little station where we have sa street lang namin. Well, actually they have a big place here. Yung malaki talaga siya na doon mo makita yung lahat ng stations. Itong mga stations na to where you can throw all your different kinds of garbage, you know. So, doon sa malaking place na yon, pwede mong itapon doon yung mga old sofa, old beds, like old furnitures, old TV, mga ganyang bagay, old washing machine, mga ganon. So, doon mo sila pwedeng itapon. Sa lugar na yon, well, they are very specific when it comes to pagpasok mo doon. They have already this very specific stations, you know, sa umpisa hanggang sa dulo, malaki talaga siya. Pwede mo doon itapon yung mga trees na pinutol sa garden, yung grasses, kasi dito hindi mo pwedeng itapon yun kung saan lang, kahit sabihin natin na pwede siya i-compost. Kung wala ka namang compost, yung mga pinutol na grass for example, kailangan doon mo siya itatapon, hindi kung saan lang. So, ganun ka-strict dito when it comes to garbages. Katulad na lang ng sofa and bed, for example, yung mga ikatapon na. Hindi mo naman din siya pwedeng ihalo dun sa mga clothes. Different station din yun. So, when it comes to sorting, I think Sweden is one of the best in sorting their garbage, and they are one of the most environmental friendly country. Very green dito, and very fresh air. Kahit sabihin na maraming sasakyan dito, they have a very fresh air, very clean nature. They are more on using electric cars now. Napaka-popular na yun dito ngayon. So, and overall, napaka-environmental friendly and nature friendly ng Swedish people. Ito yata yung kultura na ng Sweden. So, when it comes to sorting their garbage, they are very good on that. And when it comes to recycling, they are very, very good in that also. I hope guys na nag-enjoy kayo sa aking little video, and I hope na you learn something about how Swedish people are, how Swedish culture are, and how they take care of their nature. They are thinking a lot more of their future. Dahil dito, marami akong natutunan, and I learned to appreciate more and how to take care of the nature. Mas na-appreciate ko yung kung paano nila pinatrato yung nature dito sa Sweden. And I am very thankful that I learned about this, and I want to share it to everyone. I want to share it to you guys.
So I hope that you enjoy this video, and I hope I will see you around. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!